Alcohol is alcohol no matter how it comes. Ever how you put it, drink it, or consume it, alcohol is alcohol. So if you drink hard liquor, you'll just get more alcohol faster. But alcohol going through your body, no matter where it came from, it goes through your liver. And y'all know who that Dr. Oz guy is? I told you we had a little deal where I told you that I went how God worked in my life, and about what was on where I reworked some of the stuff I had taught, and so in this matter, he guided me around. All these people ask you, when I have studied with my Bible at the hair shop for years and years. Ever how long I've been cutting hair, I've had my Bible at the hair shop. And so I've had lots of conversations about lots of things. And this guy, there was actually one guy that did say he drank 2/5 a day, and that a little to him was a pint. And we were discussing this little. How much is this little? And I got to wondering, how much is that little? How much is it actually supposed? Well, this Dr. Oz guy was on Oprah Winfrey. Now, I bet you I hadn't watched 24 Oprah Winfrey shows in all the time she's been on, but one of these shows he was on there. And one of the things that he said was, alcohol is alcohol. No matter where it comes from, when it goes in your body, it's alcohol. The other thing he said, that if you drink more than a jigger, how much does that hold?
It's an ounce.
An ounce? If you drink more than 1 ounce of alcohol, it's harmful to your body. 1 ounce of alcohol is healthy for your body. Now, isn't that kind of interesting that he says drink a little, and actually a little, according to him, is healthy for you, and any more than that goes to harming your liver. So if you're drinking more than 1 ounce in any one time, then you're harming your body, and you've gone across the line. You've started harming the temple of God, right? And so that's how much a little is you got to drink. This verse does not give us the permission to drink, but it does give us permission to use a little alcohol, 1 ounce of alcohol, in one 24-hour period of time for medical purposes. And that's all that does. But
Is that 1 ounce?
I'm sorry?
Is that 1 ounce? It doesn't say 1 ounce.
It says a little.
It says a little, but you jump up, the man said 1 ounce.
Yes, I did, but the man said that scientific.
God that said 1 ounce.
But the man said that more than 1 ounce is harmful to your body.
Today. And the whole question is,
No,
what is a
God
little?
is here today.
Well, I know, but it's not on earth right now, it's talking to us. We don't
Right.
know this.
He said,
I didn't think 1 ounce was very much.
the Bible says that little is safe for you, and a little that's safe for you, according to science, is that 1 ounce. Any more than that 1 ounce is harmful to you. So this is indirectly saying no more than 1 ounce a day.
That is.
And that's all that's healthy for you is 1 ounce. And the Bible's not going to tell you something that's not healthy for you. So God, in effect, says
A little.
A
not
little.
1 ounce.
but that little equals 1 ounce, because it's more than that is harmful to you. So
I can't see that.
you can't see how that.
No, not when you're putting labeling it with 1 ounce. He says.
I wonder how much a cup is.
He's just trying to make a couple of days.
Well, if a cup's a little for you,
I'm not
then
saying that-
ever how many ounces that is,
Yeah.
all of them but one is harmful to you. Anyway, a little is okay, and that's not going to be so much that it's going to be
If your
harmful to
tummy's
you.
upset and you need something and nothing else works, a little bit of wine, 1 ounce, would be all right. It wouldn't
Yeah.
hurt your body. You shouldn't drink it, but if you need it for medicinal purposes,
Yeah.
which
And
I
that-
know some people, at night, there's some older people I know, and they don't drink, but it helps them rest at night. So,
They'll drink what they call a toddy.
no, they drink elderberry wine, which is
Elderberry
elderberry is
wine.
good
I
for
think
you.
some of them just,
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't, but that's all they drink though, is a jigger,
Just,
that much.
just a-
because they're in their 80s and 90s, and it helps them rest.
According to
Hey,
American
it's
Heart
about that
Society,
much
I
in
think
a
they
cup.
said 1 to 3 glasses of red wine daily is good for your heart. You're using red wine because of the tannins in it.
yeah,
Helps the engine
see, there's
blood,
that little, you know.
reduces the heart attacks and strengthens
Now we're up to
heart
3
muscle.
glasses.
But still is 1 ounce of alcohol.
It's still 1 ounce of alcohol.
Yeah.
You know, 3 glasses, we're talking about the
1
difference
ounce?
in alcohol content.
Right, alcohol content, it takes about four glasses of wine.
only
probably
about
equal
3
1 ounce
glasses of
alcohol.
one
Yeah.
wine
Well, he said
alcohol.
3 glasses.
A
I'm
day.
talking
He
about,
said,
I'm talking about 3
I'm
glasses.
talking
of
about
Everclear.
1 ounce of wine.
I'm talking about 3 glasses of Everclear, great wine.
But God says a little, buddy.
Well, I
And,
agree with
and a
you.
little is, a little
Well,
is,
the rest of it, you're putting 1 ounce on it, saying 1 ounce.
well, I found out
I mean,
what,
he could be taking an eyedropper full, and that'd be good enough, that's a little.
that's a little. Anything less than an ounce, you don't have to drink the whole ounce. You can drink less than an ounce, but not over the ounce.
And you said that was a
When I was
man.
You
about
never
10
had
years old, I
did you
thought
ever
But
get
then
any?
you
Yeah,
turn
about that
around,
much.
I said,
another doctor comes along and tells
Yeah, I'm
him
sure
take
he
3
is.
glasses.
I said that doctor said that, which has scientific things available with him to find out how alcohol works and affects your body. And the 3 glasses of wine will have less than 1 ounce of alcohol in those 3 glasses of wine, which is also a medical standard for helping your heart.
When you say 1 ounce, you're talking about 1 ounce of
Pure
total
Pure grain
pure
alcohol.
alcohol.
1
In
ounce
3
of alcohol.
glasses, it would be a mixture of alcohol plus some other things.
Right,
So,
right.
Because
Yeah.
what's in there that's good, they're talking about the grapes and what's in there, the longevity of how long they've been there. I mean, like elderberry, I mean, I don't drink the wine, but I have a bottle of elderberry, and it's wonderful for colds. It tastes terrible, but you take a teaspoon a day, and it keeps colds and flus away.
Did you ever see Arsenic in Old Place with Cary
Yes.
Grant?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can't think about elderberry wine without thinking the little old lady's putting poison in it.
Does
Kill off the little men.
anybody in here know how to make wine
Yes.
out of grapes?
Yes.
Golly,